Welcome back. This is how you take apart the Cybertruck sub-trunk. So you're gonna take and open it up. First part is loosening these clips on the struts. You got one there, one there, one there, one there. Take a flathead screwdriver, put it in there, pry it out, and you pop it loose like that. There, pry it, you can pull it straight out. Now before I take the other strut out, I'm going to take the strut I already removed and we're going to put it in here. It's going to prop it up. As we take that strut out, the cover is going to want to fall down. So we're just propping it up. You don't have to use this, you can use a tool. And then remove your other strut. After the struts are out, the next part will be to loosen these 4 bolts on the bottom of the sub trunk. They are 10 millimeters. And that is how you remove the sub-trunk lid from the Cybertruck. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe.